Good day, Sir Carmelotes. Today we're going to present our research study, which is about navigating new horizons, life experiences of senior high school grade 12 youth transferee students.
So first, let's talk about the background of the study. So the purpose of this phenomenological study wants to explore the lived experiences of the new UMS transfer students as they navigate new horizons. So we have three categories. So first, it's all about the experiences and change adapted action. B, the challenges and the obstacles of UMS transfer students that they encountered, and of course, the strategies and coping mechanisms all by the employment.
Okay, so now let's proceed to rationale. So within the senior high school system of the Philippines, the humanities and social sciences serve as the pathway for students. So it's aspiring to delve into the complexities of human society, culture, and thought. So according to a study by author et al. Here, the transition of students into new educational settings can be a complex process. It influenced by various factors such as social integration, academic adjustment, and of course, institutional support.
So now we're going to talk about our research gap. Numerous disciplines such as literature, sociology, and psychology have long been intrigued with the subject of students' lived experience that they transition to a new school. The primary objective of this qualitative research therefore is to investigate the experience of senior high school grade 12 youth students, transferred students in adapting to their new school environment, and then navigating the challenges and opportunities they encounter during the transition period. According to Smith and Johnson 2019, the study that found out that transferred youth students undergo a complex process of transition marked by emotional challenges, academic adjustments, and social integration.
So next is the statement of the problem or research objective. The purpose of this qualitative research is to understand the impact of transferring schools on the academic performance and overall well-being of the senior high school grade UMS students. The following research questions are specially addressed by this study. First question is that what are the challenges that senior high school UMS transfer students face during their transition? The second question is what are the opportunities that senior high school UMS transfer students face during their transition? And the last question and the third question is what influenced your decision to pursue a degree in humanities and social science over other academic disciplines?
Methodology. This content deals with a systemized methodology used in the study. Chapter sections include research design, research locale, and the research respondents, sampling method, the research instruments, research procedure, data analysis, role of investigator, method of verification, and ethical consideration.
The contents and research findings. The study revealed the following findings. Interconnected bonding and support are as follows. 1. Strong social support networks. 2. Shared experience and activities. And 3. Emotional support or understanding. In navigating academic, social, and emotional transitions. 1. Adequate support during transitions. 2. Successful transition periods. And 3. Effective coping strategies. And the last, emotional evolution and self-discovery are 1. Self-awareness and emotional regulation. 2. Engaging in self-reflection and exploration. And lastly, 3. Stronger sense of purpose in life. Now we're going to discuss about our discussion and research. The interview transcripts underwent a comprehensive thematic analysis focusing on identifying recurrent patterns, ideas, and themes within the participants' responses. Thematic analysis was the chosen method for analyzing the qualitative data involving several stages including familiarization, coding, theme creation, defining and specifying themes, and finally, writing. Participants willingly shared their experiences as grade 12 UMS transferee students, navigating the complexities of transitioning to a new educational environment. Data familiarization commenced with transcribing audio recordings and translating any vernacular language into English. This process extended to interpreting textual content and identifying recurrent themes. across participants' narratives. Subsequently, the data underwent coding where each section of the text or phrases was scrutinized to generate meaningful goals indicative of the participants' experiences as transferee students.
Recommendation. Parents should foster a supportive environment at home by initiating open conversation with their children about emotions and friendship, thereby cultivating healthy communication habits. They should provide emotional support, actively listen, and offer guidance on managing complex emotions related to friendship to help develop to strong emotional intelligence and positive relationship skills. This is conclusion. The findings from the study on transfer students highlight the complex and multiplicated nature of the experiences during the academic, social, and emotional transitions. Transferee students face various challenges as they navigate these transitions, including adapting to new curriculum structures, building new social connections, and managing emotional well-being.